Welcome to Storming Robots, a robotics engineering and computer science learning center for grades 4 to 12. Our Storming Robots ecosystem acts as an incubator for developing critical thinking skills. We are preparing the next generation for an AI future. This presentation is going to be an introduction of what we do. Here at Storming Robots, we work to build analytical and computational thinking skills to foster a generation to prepare for an artificial intelligence world. Some of the hard skills that we cover are computational programming, system engineering, algorithmic thinking, mechanical engineering, and computer science. Some of the soft skills that we teach are a higher order of thinking, teamwork, communication, perseverance, leadership, and project planning. Now let's take a look at the difference between robotics and artificial intelligence. Robotics and artificial intelligence are two very separate disciplines. The overlapping area that many of our projects focus on is artificially intelligent robots. Let's take a look at the different learning stages. The first level of our model is for all students grades 4 to 8. Students start to gain an intrinsic interest in engineering, computer programming, mathematics, and algorithms. Our program fuels and reinforces autonomous learning by utilizing hands-on robotics and technology projects. Around grade 7 and above, we begin to reinforce these skills with a more predominant focus in computer science and analytics. Depending on the skill level of the student, potential eligibility for competition will be assessed. Around 8th grade, students have the option to begin a computer science study with an emphasized focus in computational and algorithmic thinking. The minimum requirement for this program is the completion of Algebra 1. As students continue through the algorithms track, there will be additional opportunities for different competitions and advanced projects. The last tier of our model provides students an opportunity to work on college-level challenges. This will help them to gain a competitive edge not only in academics, but also internship opportunities in college. Our aim throughout the program is to build a generation that is competitive in engineering, technology, computer science, and mathematics. Let's take a look at the different tracks. There's a robotics projects track for grade 4 to 6 and 7 to 11, the computer science track, as well as robotics with electronics. We will go into more detail about all of these tracks in separate presentations. For students who are interested in robotics for grades 4 to 6, we require all students to attend an evaluation session to determine readiness and eligibility for the program. Pending approval, they will then move into the robotics projects track. For all students grades 7 to 8, we require 2 letters of recommendation. For those students grade 9 and above, we are looking to assess their level of programming experience. With students who have little, they will enter the algorithms in C, C++ for the beginner level. Then they will have the opportunity to move into the robotics with electronics. For those with substantial programming background, we will require 2 letters of recommendation as well as a phone interview to determine eligibility. Some of the various platforms that we use are the LEGO Mindstorm for NXT and EV3, the Raspberry Pi, as well as the Arduino. Storming Robots uses a project-based application in which students apply the various learned concepts to projects over the course of the term. Our curriculum was founded on standards set forth by Carnegie Mellon Robotics Academy. From there, our in-house experts have enhanced it by implementing application-based projects and levels that provide students an opportunity to progress through complexity of concepts. Instructors are continually gauging students' progress based on the demonstration and understanding of concepts. If there's ever a concern regarding progress, we will always reach out to the parents and provide recommendation for improvement. We also provide a performance report at the end of each term, excluding winter, which will have feedback as well as a recommendation for the next level. The effectiveness of our program is truly demonstrated through the success of our students and the feedback from our alumni and parents. Several of our students have competed and won at world competition levels. Some of our high school students have also received internship and science research opportunities, such as those offered by NASA. It is also seen through the colleges and universities our students are accepted to, as well as the internship opportunities they receive even as freshmen. For more information, please visit our website at feedback.stormingrobots.com. Our staff varies in background. Some have experience in world-level competitions, while others have consulted for the STEM labs. Our program is run by in-house experts and a recipient of the 2019 Presidential Scholars Distinguished Teacher Award. All staff is trained and highly qualified for the levels they teach. The summary of our model is that Storming Robots is the embodiment of the engineering disciplines integrated with creativity from grades 4 to 12. This concludes the introduction. Please check out presentations on some of our other tracks available.